In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm on Best Buy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though you cannot find Affirm on Best Buy if you proceed to checkout on their website or the mobile app, it is still possible for you to pay using Affirm. This is because Best Buy is available as a buy now pay later option on the latest version of the Affirm mobile app. So make sure that you have the Affirm app up to date. When you open the application, you should be able to find it on the home screen because it is a featured store. But if you don't see it, just use the search function and look for Best Buy. Immediately upon finding Best Buy, you will be able to request a virtual card. This can be done beforehand if you go over to the option to get a card or after you tap Best Buy and you proceed to checkout. Regardless, to get this card that must be used within Best Buy, you will have to specify the amount that you will be spending, make sure to account for any included fees or shipping costs, and afterwards browse through all of the payment plans. According to the amount that you specified, you will be able to choose how you want to repay this amount over the course of months with the installments that they offer, and as soon as you select the specific plan that you would like to use and you agree with the terms of service, you will be able to get the virtual card. This virtual card, like I said, must be used exclusively for Best Buy. Because Affirm is not an option during direct checkout, you need to do this first. Get the card, including the card details like the full card number, expiration, then a security code. And once you have these details, you can go back to Best Buy and use these card details as the payment method when you choose credit or debit card. Afterwards, all of the installments and the payment plan that you chose will be managed through the mobile app when you go over to your account page, and you can repeat this process as needed. The card is only valid for 24 hours, aka 1 day, so make sure that you are ready to purchase as soon as you generate the card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm on Best Buy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.